fella. I'm in Genghis Khan, my sister's 50th. Older sibling, Sandy, turning 50, so here, easier. She just got back from Fiji, a little holiday for her birthday, and now we're here to have a buffet. There's another Niue family here, and I think he just got married and they're coming here to have a feed. So it's Niue in the house. And then just caught up with my other mate Paul. He's an Aussie, he's Tongan, and bro, if you're watching this bowler, you're looking pretty dangerous, looking good. He's been training hard, and he just saw some update pics. Keep it up, bro. Got me motivated. But here's the bro. Any words of
happy birthday, Sandy. Hope you have a wonderful day, and we're looking forward to having a good meal.
Hey, welcome to happy birthday, Sandy. This is for your happy.
Oh, hang up, go again.
Here, good. Yeah.
All right. Let's have a look at the chefs over there. So we're gonna go have something to eat.
Yeah. James, did you want to say anything for Sandy? Eden, any words for Sandy?
Happy birthday, Sandy! Say happy birthday, Sandy!
Thank you. Quite cool. Favorite cars?
Okay. My Sandy, thank you so much for inviting us here. I hope you enjoy the night with us, with your special family, near and far. My Sandy, that you look after my son from Queen England right up to when he graduates to Tamaki College. My Sandy. Boy.
Nice. That's Auntie Sifa, cousin Sif. Go around there, have a look at the food. Go look at the food. Here's the packed in here, lots of people. Now's a good time to eat, but everyone's just sorting out their chairs. Damn it. Oh wow. Okay. Get some more hellos.
Welcome you all here tonight. I just want to welcome you to the call and help us celebrate Sandy's birthday. We're going to have to just make do with everything else that's happening. Hey, so thank you all for coming tonight to help celebrate Sandy's 50th birthday. We want to say thank you from myself, our children, for being here tonight to help us celebrate. I'd like to thank Mully and Stephen for being here, and also my parents, and my brother, Tony, Yana, and also the siblings from Hayden, John, and Steffi, who's still yet to come, and Warmer, and also the Waddell crew. Thank you all. If I've missed anyone, I'm sorry, but we just have to go with the flow. We're going to cut things short, sweet. And I think we're gonna go straight forward.
Everyone, happy birthday, Sandy. I was 19 when I had her. Stephen was 70. That's why he's 70. She's 50. You're 20? Oh, 20 when you're 20. Yeah, but you're 70 now. And Sandy is 50. Happy birthday, Sandy. From your siblings, Sandy. Wishing you all the best and God bless you and thanks for being who you are. Can I try your necklace on the children? Yeah. Thank you.
Hello to everybody who are here tonight. Because of our daughter-in-law. For the birthday, quite a few things ago, and they are going to meeting, and then now we are getting together here at this place to make this thing happen, mark the day of her birthday. We all pray to God to keep her good life, happy life, and enjoy this life, and also many more returns for her future. And hopefully my son here to look after his wife.
Yeah, Peter.
So thank you for inviting us tonight. We pray to God, don't look after you and lead your way through your life. And also to look after your family and all the family of here. Love them as you love yourself and your family. So not much for me, but sorry for the rest of our family. They are not here. Anyway, we are here to be with you.
Thank you. Lord, love you always. Love you always. God bless you. Okay.
Okay.
Stevenson, take her phone. Do you want it recorded or just take photos? Come up here. We're hungry, Sandy. Keep it short. Yeah. Anyone want to say something? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Yeah. Oh, Sandy.
Just very quickly, thank you everyone for being here. Thank you to my children for paying for our trip to Fiji. Thank you. Thank you to my husband too for organising our dinner. I know we're not having a big party, but it's still important to celebrate together. Thank you everyone for coming. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. That's it. Thank you.
Okay. I'm going to bless the day and also our food, eh? Okay. Yon nga tau atua tau na lai na lang, gawe ke api-api, gawe ke amu, gawe tuki, mai ke whakataha mai. Langa kina ha koe limu pūru tau. E ha matoru tama, ha maua tama, matoru tama, matoru teina, tau kese, mahakitanga. E limu pūru e tau tau. O me kulo e atua totoi. O murina hana maui, mua ki keia pōki e maui tūhololoa. O e murina e tau nau ki hana maui. Sandy, mahana tau whanau. So mena pōki e tau malaka osi, ke kau kalataha ke tau mahua osi. Mo e milino e tau maui ma kua tukoi. Mena pōki e tau manakai. Mena tau keke kua kai ai. Ihea hamatola tau manako, me tau ole aku ki mua hao e atua tutonu. E whakamunina mai osi e tau mana osi ke maua e whiawhia, ha koe whiawhia anga nei. E hawa hingoa tapu, he matoro a iki, o Yesu Keliso, amene. Amen. Hello. Yeah. Hey, Lani. Eden. James. Oh gosh, look at all these people.
Whakalofa ki mako. Happy birthday, Sandy. Monuina hawhanau hao. Monuina hawhanau hao. Wish you all the best. Just in case you didn't know, I don't know if you heard, but all your siblings chipped in some money for your necklace. Just a nice gift for our oldest sibling, and Mum just added to it as well. That's probably why it broke, because the too much bling on your necklace. The necklace couldn't hold the weight. Heavy. Oh, yeah, wish you all the best. Thanks for the invitation, and yeah, hopefully many more to come. Always. Packed. This place is packed. Vai kupu.
Ai lo ha mo di ka whanau hai a honai.
Au whanau haku.
Oi, ha whanau hau a. Oi.
O ve place ne ha?
Ko pita he ani.
Ai oi.
Pita he ka hoa mo nè na ha.
Oi.
Ko hoa hai honai. Koe tu e limu puru tau a Sandy. Koe whare nei le moe kiai, koe Genjis na.
Ia.
Rong e kai, tōronga koe rangata, tūmoni ana e. Koa roa e tau kiu. Koa, o mai te whaka hua ke ute tau preti ke whakamea. Kai whakapuke poke tau preti ka hake lata me tau takata le. Tunga maua ka hoko mai lai mo nei. Ara katoa e hoko pui minis. Ako nai makamoa vai raini mo e ke reo ke reo tau kai. Roko nao ke atai raini. Tau hake ke tokakia koe. Tamai na poro hui mua koe. Ako nare papakiu mo e roto uho. Ke kai. Ika ke ka paka he atai tau ka paka. Ka mai mena lia e ke tō e toko mi tau tangata e mo rei roto e. Kuke o stolo lau mi tau no koa. Aia, apana kini ke monuina e amponau e tampupine urua ki ha maua. E mua ki mua poke ha ana tau mahua. Wakaronga moi ka ha koinga taha taikitaki taha aonga i Mexica. What school she works at?
Pune England.
Pune England Primary School. He's an assistant principal.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Orang kita kita ana moe. Ya pia ko kita mo matua itu pandau, apa ko ibe itu pandau ni lo. Eu real mas no raco tá mano. Ele falou eu vou aí. Ah, tudo que anda do lado de aí. Tudo anda se hinda. Tudo que anda do ano. Ono no te que aí, todo ele que anda do ano. Aí lá tem que estar raco daí a tu e tio. Outra coisa vai lá nem mo. Không đó thì muốn đi lên phố.
Rồi. Rồi. Tiếp.
Morning.
Yeah.
Morning, I hope Father was Sandy. Welcome to the 50s. I'm not there yet, but have fun, enjoy yourself, and
try not to continue doing work all the time. Let's just writing our up our list, working hard for a beautiful cake. And cake, I hope you supported it. So many memories to share, but that's okay. We can get it another time. And look forward to your 60th. Happy birthday!
Always.
Kupu. Yes.
Always.
Good birthday, Mom. Hope you have a good day, good birthday today, and you have a good rest of the day.
Happy birthday, Mom. I love you a lot and hope you enjoy your day today.
Juliana. Mom, what?
Oh, pagkalapalahiyat si Sandy, may na yung panahaw. Ko kian koe ke tawa holong ani toi koe luar ha ya tu eri mo fulu tau hau tu e pika mo fulu tau ha vene tu foke eri mo fulu ke tau he mau. So this 2023 is a blessed year for our family. Because Dad turned 70 and then 50, and then our anniversary also in October the 8th, 50. Aia, koe lahi poki ki tau manakai, really nice place.
Always.
So just stop here.
Hey, quick words.
Happy birthday, Sandy. Congrats on the milestone. Yeah, thank you for tonight's invite and all the best in many years to come.
Sandy, kuku.
Hello to everyone. I just want to say thank you everyone who turned up, all the family, my parents, Little Hilly, my siblings. Thank you for coming to celebrate my 50th birthday today, and just very blessed. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for being here, and I'm really good.
Always.
Ya, kalau palahia tu ke pun hepo, kau kamu ke tua kau pribadi mo kau Sandy, kau tota inloa ke hepo nei. Kasi hai miti ora tu family hau, tu family hamawa. Kau riong ini ke tua Sandy, ke puaki mo itu wah birthday apa? Long at the work, if we are quite may knock my house, darling husband, my dog and no family. See, on win a birthday house, Sandy, love you always. I will take my book, got nothing. I was looking at the book here, when we not to watch. When I am.
Happy birthday, Uncle Sam.
Say it louder.
Happy birthday,
Auntie Sandy.
Auntie Sandy. Happy birthday, Auntie Sandy. I hope you have a great day.
Birthday, Mum. Have you had a good night? Just happy birthday to Sandy. And may the good Lord above bless him with many, many more. I love her, the family. It was a good evening, and all the best for the future. And thank you for myself, my family, and my kids and my wife. Thank you.
Peter, where are you? Peter.
Happy birthday, Sandy. Thank you for always leaving your house open for me to stay over and come eat your guys' food. Yeah, love you always. Happy birthday.
Quick words for Sandy.
Oh, happy birthday, Sandy. Hope you had a good trip to Fiji, and thanks for the dinner tonight.
Laja.
Good move.
Happy birthday, Sandy. We love you very much. Thank you for the dinner, and
Hey, this is birthday, Sandy. Oh, this is dinner. Oh, I loved it. Yeah. Birthday,
Whakaoi. No. Oh, excuse me. Are you sure? No. Kingston. Any words for your mom, Kingston?
Is that already recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah. Happy 50th birthday, mom. Hope you enjoyed your trip to Fiji. Thank you for everything you've done for me. Continue to do for me. And I love you.
Whakaoi.
Happy birthday! Auntie Sandy. I love you.
Thank you.
Whai kupu. Hei, whakalawhalai atu ki a tātou osi. Whakaua ke aho nei kua mea ka tātou ke o mai ke whakariwea. Mo e whakamunguina e limunga furu tau ke hamautolua matuku whine o ke mother, sister or daughter. My beloved wife, Sandy, happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best. Hope you enjoyed your week-long celebrations for your birthday and the trip to Fiji. I want to thank the family, the Eric family, my family, everyone who turned up tonight. Bit of a strange night, you know, so much noise happening, but we were here, we did it, and it's been an awesome night. So thank you everyone, thank you John and your family, everybody who was here tonight, and David. So, unuina ke tautou osi, e nei a.
Whakaoi.